Hello everybody, I am Lawu, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make money online. And this is going to be all legit, all easy, really easy. I'm going to break all this down, explain everything on the screen. I'm going to explain all that. So first, you can either use the link in the description, save you some time. It is my referral link. You guys know what that means. You guys have one too once you set up an account, and you can share either this video to your friend and that link, and this will show them how to set up their account and how to make money, and you will get money for referring them. And you're basically guaranteed to get money because whoever makes an account and goes through with it ends up making money. So you'll get $5 whenever they make 10 the first time. So that's a decent bit of profit, especially if you have a lot of friends. So share this to everybody. Alright? So firstly, use the link in the description or look up ClickWorker and go to the first website. Now first make an account, but I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. And straight away, or it might take a while to show up, ignore these jobs for now. Go to assessments, and there's going to be one assessment for basic English, and you need a 70% to pass that. Pass that, and then you have to do 2 UHRS qualification tests. Now UHRS is how you make the money. This is the website that ClickWorker pays you through because you can't work for these people, but ClickWorker will pay you, and they're the ones that deal with them. Now before I go to UHRS, because once you pass the assessment, go back to your home and look at your jobs. Now you're going to notice that there's going to be one that says UHRS. You're going to click start, and it's going to make you make a Microsoft account, like an email, just to log in for your work. It's your work email. And then it's going to bring you to the UHRS screen, and then you're going to log in. Now firstly, I'm going to show you the payments so that you know that this is legit. I'm going to go to my invoices, and this is how much I made on these dates. It takes you 3 weeks to get paid your first time, because that's how long it takes for the money to get processed. But if you look, I got paid every week that I worked. Look at how much money I made in 1 week. Now, this will definitely sync up to my PayPal account. So that proves that you can actually make money with this fairly quick, less than a month, and you can make a decent income. I made this much money to pay for my dog. That's how I got him so fast. I made about $200 in only 30 hours of working. I made a decent wage. Now, once you make the UHRS account, you're gonna be signed on to this. This is UHRS. This is how you make your money. So basically, there's these things called apps, and there is a company and they give you a micro job. A micro job is you get paid a few cents to do a very minute task. Some tasks take 3 seconds, some tasks take a minute, and you'll get paid on the time that you spend on them. And they usually reload them, like add more in, so that you can do them whenever you run out. And once this loads, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock any of the apps and then start making money. So I'm just going to wait for this to start, for this to load. First, let me just show you my report. So I'm going to go all the way back to whenever I actually made money, and then I'm going to break down this chart for you guys. So right here it says judgments done. This is how many I got completed throughout the course. I did 896 mobile search battles. So I did that many hits. And these are how many were valid, 777. Invalid judgments are whenever it's not right, like you missed it by a long shot, or you just aren't trying, or you're lazy. Now, I did all those in 11 hours of working, 11 and a half hours. I did 79 judgments per hour, and this is how much money I made in 11 hours of working. $93. And I'm going to go back to the marketplace, and hopefully it loads now, and I can show you guys how to actually go through with the jobs and make the money. Alright, so firstly you're going to want to click the qualification and these have a brief description and name for them. And my favorites are, is this page adult? But yeah, you should be 18 for that. And that's another thing, you don't have to be 18 for this. I should have mentioned that, I'll put that in the description, you do not have to be 18. But for this video I'm going to do the mobile search battle. What you would do for any of these would do qualification, and then you're going to do some example problems, like example hits. And you're going to have to read the directions and find which ones you like more. Like this one is comparing them, and then you're going to say which one you like more, and then you get paid that many cents every time you submit one. So, but I'm going to show you guys the mobile search battle because that's my most comfortable one, and that's the one that I make money with, and a lot of other people do too, because there's usually a few thousand, and you get paid 12 to 15 cents per hit for the mobile search battle, which is pretty good. Waiting for this to load again, and then I'll show you guys some examples of the mobile search battle, and I can actually give you guys some tips and everything. Alright, so right now I have 171, and sometimes they'll add more, sometimes they'll be less. I'm going to click Start Judging. Start Judging means you're put into it, and they're going to set you up with a hit every time that you finish one. You're going to get another hit. So this, it says the quarry is Dog Needs Home in Exit Spell, Michigan. So this means that the mobile search battle, if you would read the directions, is it compares like the Android to iPhone results, and you have to decide which one's better. So dogs needing homes, that means you're looking for adoptions. This isn't really unique because spell isn't a place, you know, so that's irrelevant. This is irrelevant because we're looking for dogs that need homes. This is very irrelevant. This is a dog. This isn't relevant either, but this is, because this is an adoption. So I would say left is a big win. And sometimes you can put in comments, but me submitting that I just made 12 cents doing that one. 12-year bullet. Now, some of these are kind of weird. Whenever you do it for a while, they'll get weird, but still, you can guess that they're looking for a specific bullet, and that would be that. And then, well, no, that wouldn't be. This would be right because this actually found the 10-year. This wouldn't be right because it's showing pictures and the definition. So I would say the right one is a big win again, because the left isn't showing anything relevant. And I just did 2 of those and I just made about 30 cents. And if I would do this for an hour, I can make 30 bucks. So that's how you guys can make money. And another thing is it'll take about a half an hour for your judgments to be shown. See, this is what I made in the recent week because I just wanted to get on to see how things are, if they added anything. And I just did one and made 12 cents. So now you guys know exactly how to make your money. Once this money has been here for 3 weeks, it gets processed Sunday night. That Sunday, you'll get paid that. And what happens is it'll send the money from here to here. And it'll say payable. So this $11 will be payable this Sunday because I would have worked on it 3 weeks ago by this Sunday. So that means I'm going to get paid this on Sunday, and then you'll get paid every Sunday from then. So I hope this helped you guys out. And I hope you guys who love video games and don't want to get a real job or are too young, you guys can actually make money. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.